Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide payment method based on the customer's shipping country using the Next Reorder app. So this helps you show only the payment options that are relevant for each country. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So here we can choose on payment method, and here sorry uh yeah, payment method, and here we can choose the quick hide payment method. So here we can return like hide COD for USA, like that. So the rule status is activated here. Now we can choose the payment method. Here I'm choosing cash on delivery. So now we can apply the condition. So here add condition, can choose by the location, here shipping country, click on add condition. So here we can select the country, like here I'm selecting United States. Okay, click on done. Okay, now here we can see in the rule preview, the hide cash on delivery is for the shipping country United States. So before that, before saving, we can go to the online store and ship if there is a cash on delivery option is now for United States or not. Okay, now here there is some item in cart already. Click on ship out. Okay, now here we can see there is cash on delivery option for for United States. Okay, so let's go to the rule section, and here we can click on save. Okay, another rule has been created. Now we can go to the checkout and let test it. So refresh it and let see. So it is hidden or not. Yeah, now the cash on delivery option is hidden now for the country United States. So we can just for it, and let's check for let's refresh and let's see if it changed or not. Okay, I think it is now in United States. So the cash on delivery option is hidden here. So that's it. So the shipping country, the payment method will appear again, depend on your role. So that's it. So showing only relevant payment method create a cleaner checkout experience and help avoid confusion for customers in different countries. So that's it. Now you have successfully hidden a payment method based on the customer's shipping country using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.